So now that you've decided to start your social media marketing journey, now we got to figure out who actually needs your help.
My name is Evan, and you're listening to Block E.
If you don't know me by now, my name is Evan and I help out other inspiring entrepreneurs get their journey in social media marketing and other ventures online, and how you're able to leave your 9-to-5 and live that laptop lifestyle that everyone is seeking. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. That's going to be like right around over here. You can also like this video as well, leave a comment and tell me how beautiful I look.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true.
So let's get started. Who actually needs your help with social media marketing? The first group of people that need your help with social media marketing are businesses and different companies. Now, I want you to go to either your favorite restaurant, your dentist, or any type of service that you kind of use, I don't know, chiropractor. Go onto their social media and check it out and see if there's anything that you can help out with. A lot of the time, these companies, they either neglect their social media, so they don't really post anything, they don't really like venture into it because it's kind of a waste, they see it as a waste of time, or they're posting constantly, but they're not getting any traction with it. And then there's another group of people who post almost daily, but they don't really get much traction. So it's either their posts are pretty weak and they're not very good, or they're not targeting the right people or putting it in front of a good amount of eyeballs, because eyeballs are the things that sell. So if you have like a dentist that posts something like every day and like, oh, do this, hey, we got like a deal going on or something like that, and they post it to their Facebook page that has like 200 likes on it, maybe only, I don't know, like 6% of that total group of people are going to be able to see that post, and not many of them are going to interact with it because it's just kind of there and they're just kind of like shooting things out. They don't really know copyright. They don't know how to like do those offers, reel in those hooks that a lot of you that are in social media marketing that are very good with, or you've hired outsourcers to be able to write copy for you. So these companies, they have no idea how to manage their social media content. So depending on if you're looking at doing paid traffic or if you're looking at just doing a growth service for your social media marketing agency, just have a look at some of these companies, some of their social media, and see where you can improve it. And that's really good practice to be able to go out there in the real world and actually know the companies that you're targeting, and just to kind of be more confident in how you're going to be able to manage their social media content. The second group of people that need social media marketing help are influencers. Now, hear me out on this one. A lot of influencers, they're already much better at social media than you are. You're gonna have to just face the facts on that. They got tens of thousands of either subs or followers already. That's why they're an influencer. They've managed to be an expert at organic traffic, but a lot of them, they don't know where to take that to the next step. Either influencers or potential influencers that have between 1,000 to 9,000 followers on Instagram, for example. Anything to get you over that 10,000 hump, I feel. That's kind of that barrier where inspiring influencers and influencers kind of separate themselves. So you can probably end up selling a paid service a lot better to influencers, either through like Instagram ads or Facebook ads into like their own type of funnel of whatever services, or if they're doing drop shipping with like different products that they have on their own store, their own branding store for their personal brand, you can help them out with that. And then there's potential influencers who are in that middle gap, like they don't really know, like they just kind of want to grow so that they can expand their audience a lot more. And so that's a lot easier to be able to help out with and do different Instagram targeting or Facebook targeting through advertisements for growth services for the potential. So those people that are right in the middle, those are the ones that like need the growth the most, and their content's probably excellent, but it's just not getting in front of enough eyeballs. So you can help out with either of those two people. So influencers who already have a big following, but they just need help on monetizing their following. And then there's the inspiring influencers who are not quite at the influencer level, but they just need to be in front of a little bit more eyeballs. So that's more of a growth service that you can help them out with. And the third group that do need social media marketing help is just people in general. Now, hear me out on this one, and only really do this if you're getting your start a little bit. A bit of backstory with why just about everyone needs help with social media marketing. Instagram in 2017, there was 500 million active users on Instagram. There was over $1 billion in exchange for influencer marketing. So that's $2 for every active user, and that's in 2017. It's probably grown so much more this past year in 2018 that there's way more money out there for anyone now. So if you look at the prospects through Instagram and personal branding through YouTube and even Facebook, influencer marketing is a huge moneymaker, and it can help so many people get out of either a rut or poverty or make some extra money on the side just by posting content, posting value to a whole bunch of people. That's kind of their special goal, or their special their special. That's kind of their special thing. A guy who I know named the Hockey Guy, actually, he got his start just posting hockey videos through like a webcam, a completely crappy webcam, crappy microphone. But the dude was super passionate about hockey, and he was talking about every single hockey team out there. There's 31 NHL teams out there, and all of those people, like when he's making a specific video for them, that fan base is going to pay attention to that video because he's hitting on every single one, and that's why his growth ended up exploding. And his personality is excellent with hockey, more blue collar style, but he didn't know that he was an expert in any of this until he just started posting content out there. So only really do this in the beginning, but ask your friends or ask like people, like reach out to other people just online and ask them if they want help with like any sort of like marketing and stuff like that. And then you can end up getting a testimonial, or you made that connection with that individual now and you're helping them on like for free, or you can do like a little like paid service. Like that's completely up to you, but you took the time to help this person out and grow on whatever platform that they wanted to grow to. There's so much room for growth right now that anyone and everyone can start making money online just through their own personal brand and talking into a camera. So those are the three groups of people that need social media marketing help. So there's businesses and companies, that's number one. Number two are influencers and kind of that sub-influencer as well. And number three is just everyone in general can use a little bit of a boost on their social media just to gain like some social status, or they can start making like a little bit of money on the side. So those are my three groups that need social media marketing help. And if you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you already liked and subscribed. Subscribe. Already liked and subscribed to this video, and there's going to be more in this playlist on getting started with your social media marketing agency. And remember, my name is Evan. Have a great day.